Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to install yqarch for AutoCAD and you're getting an installation error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you both the normal installation method and an alternative method to fix the problem if the regular setup doesn't work. First, let's start with the standard installation process. Search for yqarch and open the appropriate website. The page may appear in Chinese, so don't be confused by the language. Find the required version and download the setup file. When your browser asks whether you want to keep the downloaded file, select Keep if you trust the source. After the download finishes, you'll have a compressed RAR file. Right-click the RAR file and select Extract to yqarch. This will create a new folder containing the installation files. Inside the folder, you'll find the setup file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. If the installation starts normally, you're done. However, if you encounter the same installation problem that I experienced, you'll need to use the alternative method. For this demonstration, I've removed yqarch from my computer so I can show you the complete process again. First, locate the setup file, copy it and paste it somewhere convenient, such as the C drive, open the required folder and locate the yqarch files. Now open AutoCAD and go to the Options menu. From there, open the Files section. Here, you'll need to add the required yqarch paths. Click Add, then use Browse to locate the corresponding folders on the C drive. Add the yqarch sys folder first. Then add the other required yqarch directory. Finally, add the required user folder path. Once all the necessary locations have been added, click Apply and then OK. Now completely restart AutoCAD. When AutoCAD starts again, you may receive a security message asking whether you want to load the application. Select Always Load and confirm it. At this point, yqarch should load successfully. There may still be one more issue. The interface could appear in Chinese or another language. To change it, open the yqarch settings and go to the language option. Select the first language-related option and open the corresponding configuration file. Inside the file, you'll find a language value. Change that value to 0, then save the file and close it. The yqarch interface should appear in English, and you should be able to access and use its features normally. So that's how you can install yqarch using the standard method and also troubleshoot the installation problem if the normal setup doesn't work. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're facing another yqarch or AutoCAD related problem, let me know in the comments. I may cover the solution in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.